Valentine's red velvet cake. Cake ingredients: 1 cup or 2 sticks of butter, softened. 1 cup granulated sugar. 2 large eggs. 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. 2 cups of all-purpose flour. 1/3 cup of processed cocoa powder. 1 teaspoon of baking soda. 1 teaspoon of kosher salt. 1 cup of buttermilk. 1 tablespoon of distilled white vinegar. 2 tablespoons of red food coloring. Frosting ingredients: 2 8-ounce blocks cream cheese, softened. 1/2 cup or 1 stick of butter, softened. 4 cup of powdered sugar. 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract. 1/4 teaspoon of pinch kosher salt. Preheat oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 18 degrees Celsius, and line 2 8-inch round cake pans with parchment paper and grease with cooking spray. In a large bowl using a hand mixer, beat butter and sugar until light and fluffy. Add eggs 1 at a time, beating well after each addition, then add vanilla. In another large bowl, whisk together flour, cocoa, baking soda, and salt. Add half the dry ingredients to wet ingredients, beating until just combined. Add buttermilk, vinegar and red food coloring, beating to combine, then add remaining dry ingredients. Divide the batter between the prepared cake pans and bake until a toothpick inserted into the middle comes out clean, 25 to 30 minutes. Let cool for 15 minutes, then insert them onto a cooling rack to cool completely. In the meantime, make the frosting in a large bowl using a hand mixer by beating the cream cheese and butter until smooth. Add the powdered sugar and beat it until it is light and fluffy. Add vanilla and salt and mix until combined. Add more powdered sugar, 1/4 cup at a time, if necessary, until frosting is thick and a nice spreadable consistency. To assemble the cake, use a serrated knife to level the tops of the cakes, reserving the scraps for decorating. Place 1 layer on a cake stand or serving platter, then top with a thick layer of frosting and second cake layer. Frost the top and sides of the cake. Crumble the reserved cake pieces and press them onto sides of cake.